So now we are going to see the use of command at the interactive mode. So let's see. First we will write 605. This is command because here is showing prompt, means we are going to give the command. Then press enter. Result will come out. 605 is the output. So this is the command, number command, and now we are going to write the string. So first we have to use the double quotes and then write hello and then close the quotations and press enter. This is the output. So now we are going to see the summations. 2 plus 2 equal 4. So result will come out. It is work like a calculators. So now we will divide it. 20 divided by 5. Result will come out 4.0. And next one we will see their logical value. So like 4 greater than 5 means false na. Now 5 greater than 6 false. 6 greater than 3, result will be true because it converts na. This is logical way, so true.